Hello. Welcome, everyone. Let me tell you a short story that carries a powerful life lesson. A young couple had just moved into their new home. The first morning, while they were having breakfast, the wife glanced out the window and noticed their neighbor hanging laundry on the clothesline. She frowned and said, "Look at that. Her laundry is still dirty. She clearly doesn't know how to wash properly. Maybe she needs better detergent." Her husband simply listened, choosing not to respond. But the same thing happened day after day. Every time the neighbor hung her clothes out to dry, the young woman repeated her complaints. "Her wash is always so dirty. Why doesn't she learn to clean it, right?" Then, about a month later, something changed. That morning, the wife looked out the window and was shocked. Wow, her laundry is spotless today. She must have finally figured out how to wash correctly. I wonder who helped her. Her husband smiled and said, "Actually, I got up early and cleaned our windows." And just like that, the wife realized an important truth. What we see in others often depends on the lens we're looking through. If our own window is clouded with anger, jealousy, negativity, and unmet desires, our judgments become distorted. Remember, judging someone doesn't reveal who they truly are. It reveals who you are.